Salesforce has chosen this moment to push Slackbot forward, not as a quiet utility, but as something closer to a full-fledged employee. The rollout is understated. It arrived on January 13th, 2026, as a general availability release for Business Plus and Enterprise Plus customers. No fanfare, no press event. Just an update that quietly replaces the old Slackbot with an AI agent capable of far more than setting reminders or answering basic questions. What we know is straightforward. This new Slackbot can retrieve information across connected tools, Salesforce itself, Google Drive, Box, and others at launch. It handles uploaded documents, extracts key points from long files, summarizes scattered data like customer feedback across multiple spreadsheets. It drafts meeting notes, creates onboarding guides, even automates calendar scheduling. The underlying model is Anthropic's Claude series, specifically the latest Claude 4.5 opus, which has shown strong performance on agent-specific benchmarks. That choice is deliberate. Salesforce has built safety features called Slack AI guardrails to limit hallucinations, block prompt injections, and filter out phishing risks. They are not taking chances with enterprise data. Executives describe it as a super agent or employee agent. The name Slackbot remains, preserved for recognition, even though the behavior has changed completely. This is not incremental. Slack typically rolls out small updates to drive adoption. A full overhaul like this signals a deeper strategic pivot. Salesforce ran the agent for months inside the company before release. Adoption was voluntary, yet it became the most used internal tool. Teams reported saving several hours per week, time once spent hunting for context or chasing answers. This move sits within a larger pattern. Salesforce announced its broader AI agent strategy at Dreamforce 2025. Agentforce, their platform for building custom agents, is central. Slackbot is positioned to sit on top of that ecosystem, eventually acting as a single interface that routes tasks to the right agent, whether built by Salesforce or third parties. The implication is clear. Slack is no longer just a chat tool. It is becoming the front door for enterprise AI. Connections to external systems raise questions. The agent can pull data from Microsoft Teams, for instance, provided permissions are granted. In a market where Slack and Teams compete directly, that kind of interoperability is not accidental. It suggests Salesforce sees Slack as a neutral hub, one that can reach across silos rather than fight them. Future plans point further. Voice interaction, internet browsing with user oversight. The incentives align. Salesforce faces pressure to maintain share in enterprise software. Microsoft has Copilot deeply embedded. Google and others are moving fast. An AI agent inside Slack offers a differentiated path. An agent that knows the company's data, understands context from conversations, and acts without leaving the interface most employees already use. Yet the path is not without friction. Agents promise efficiency, but introduce new risks. Over-reliance on summaries that miss nuance, data leakage across integrations, or decisions made on incomplete context. Guardrails help, but they are not foolproof. And the viral hope, comparisons to ChatGPT's early spread, remains aspirational. Enterprise adoption moves slowly, even for tools that save time. What happens next is unclear. If Slackbot becomes the default interface for AI agents, it could quietly reshape how work gets done. Or it could remain one more layer in an increasingly crowded stack. The decision to go wide now, after careful internal validation, suggests Salesforce is betting on the former. The question lingers. When every tool becomes an agent, what happens to the human in the loop?